Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Practice for Real Life.
We're so happy you're here again, practicing English with us.
If this is your first time, don't worry.
You can start right here and practice step by step.
In today's episode, we're going to focus on something very important.
How to ask simple questions and give natural answers in English.
This will help you speak with more confidence in real life.
So relax, take a deep breath, and practice with us.
Thinking in simple English. Before we start, let's talk about something important.
Many people think English needs to be complicated.
But real English is simple.
Native speakers use short questions and short answers every day.
So today, we will practice simple English.
Not perfect English, real English. Say out loud, I can speak simple English.
Basic questions you use every day. Let's start with a very common question.
Those are questions you hear all the time.
Question 1. How are you? Repeat after me. How are you?
Natural answers are I'm good, I'm fine, I'm okay. Repeat with me. I'm good, I'm fine, I'm okay.
Question 2. What are you doing? Repeat after me. What are you doing?
Simple answers. I'm working. I'm studying. I am resting. Let's repeat again. I am working. I am studying. I am resting.
Questions at work. Now, let's practice questions you use at work.
These help you communicate clearly and politely.
Can you help me? Repeat after me. Can you help me?
Natural answers. Yes, of course. Sure. One moment, please. Let's repeat that again. Yes, of course. Sure. One moment, please.
Questions with friends. With friends, English is more relaxed.
You don't need formal words.
What's going on? Repeat after me. What's going on?
Natural answers. Just relaxing. Not much. Just working. Let's repeat again. Just relaxing. Not much. Just working.
Questions in daily life. Now, let's practice real life questions.
Questions you use in stores or public spaces.
Do you need help? Repeat after me. Do you need help?
Answers. Yes, please. No, thank you. Let's repeat one more time. Yes, please. No, thank you.
Making your English sound natural. Here's a very important tip.
You don't need long answers.
Short answers sound natural.
Simple English is strong English.
Say with me. Repeat with me. Simple English is okay. Practice together. Now, let's practice together.
Listen and answer out loud.
How are you?
What are you doing?
Can you help me?
Great job. Keep it simple.
When people talk about their day, they don't use difficult English.
They use simple verbs and short sentence.
You don't need details.
You just need the basic. Say out loud, my English can be simple.
Morning routine. Let's start with the morning.
Listen and repeat.
I wake up early. Repeat with me. I wake up early.
I get up at 7. Repeat again. I get up at 7.
I have breakfast. Repeat with me. I have breakfast.
I get ready for work. I get ready for work.
Work or study routine. Now, let's talk about work or school.
These sentences work for both.
I go to work. Repeat with me. I go to work.
I study in the morning. Let's repeat again. I study in the morning.
I work until 5. Repeat with me. I work until 5.
I take a break. Let's say it again. I take a break.
Afternoon and evening. After work or school, we relax.
Listen and repeat.
I go home. Let's do that one more time. I go home.
I eat dinner. I eat dinner.
I watch TV. Repeat with me, please. I watch TV.
I spent time with my family. Let's say it again. I spent time with my family.
Section 5. Talking about your day. Now, let's put it together.
You don't need a long story.
Listen to this example. I wake up early. I go to work. I come home and relax. Repeat with me. I wake up early. I go to work. I go home. I come home and relax.
That's it.
That sounds natural. Section 6. Asking about someone's routine. Now, let's ask questions.
These are very common.
What do you do every day? Repeat with me. What do you do every day?
What time do you wake up? Let's say it again. What time do you wake up?
Simple questions. Simple answers. Section 7. Practice together. Now it's your turn.
Answer out loud.
What time do you wake up?
What do you do in the morning?
What do you do at night?
Great job.
Final message. Motivation. Talking about your daily routine builds confidence.
Because it's your life.
You already know the ideas.
You're just learning words.
Practice every day.
Say your routine out loud.
And keep it simple.
Thank you for practicing with us.
See you in the next episode. Let's keep practicing English together.